Hello everyone, welcome to the Devputer Software. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Devputer Software, and if you have already subscribed, do not forget to press on the bell icon. Hello everyone, so today we will learn related Ergo UML. So we will discuss given points today. So what is Ergo UML? Then how to download ArgoUML, and how can we install in our Windows machine that ArgoUML software. So let's start with what is ArgoUML. So it is a UML diagramming application, so which is written in the Java and released under the open source Eclipse public license. So it's kind of modeling diagram application. So maybe if you are not aware what is UML, so it is a unified modeling language. So it is a general purpose development modeling language normally used in the software field. So if you are in the software field, you will be aware during starting any of application you have to create some use case diagram, class diagram, etc. Different diagrams you need to create for the creating from scratch application. So it's a UML diagram application and it's written in the Java. So this ArgoUML was originally developed at UC Irvine by Jason E. Robbins, and during his PhD he has created open source project uh, which is available in the tigris.org right now. And if you check in the Wikipedia, you can check its detail. Like so last release was 6 year ago, or right now they are not modifying anything. So and it's mainly written in the Java and it's open source. Okay, so now we will learn that how can we download ArgoUML and install into our application. So let's see how to download it. Okay, so first we will check how to download ArgoUML software. So you need to just search here ArgoUML, and first link you will find for the tigris.org. So here we can download it. But if you want more information, then you can check in its wiki page also. Like all the informations and history and everything will be available here. Okay, and so we will check now how to download it. So in the agrouml.tigris.org you will find here download link for Windows, and you can check it here that it support the standard UML 1.4 diagram. So it's not supporting the latest UML2 and above diagrams, but it's support up to UML 1.4 standard. Now for downloading you just need to click here. If you click on this download ArgoUML 0.34 version, so it will start download. And I have already downloaded, so let me show you. So once your setup is download, you can install it. So I have saved my setup here, ArgoUML 0.34 setup. So you need to just double click on this setup. Okay, and it will give that installation wizard, and if you press here next, it will if it's compatible GRE, as it's developed in the Java. So if it's compatible GRE is not found, it will ask, and here in checkbox GRE will be there. So but if you have already GREs installed and you are not getting this dialog, you can remove it. Okay, so right now we are selecting this GRE, Java Runtime Environment, and ArgoUML both together. So it will download from the shun.com. So if I click here next, so it will ask where you want to install. So you need to select specific path where you want to install. Now I will press next, and then install. So it will start installing. Also you can check about that it's downloading for gr installer.exe also, as mainly it's created in the Java, because Java require its GRE software. Okay, so we need to accept its license and agreement. So it's installing. It will take a few minutes it will take. Yeah, so its installation is progress. If you want to directly jump to the that part, all the different part, like how to download, install and everything, you can in the description of this video you can directly get on which link for that, on which time which topic is going to be covered. So you can check it here. JRE installation is completed now, and okay, so it's going to be complete. So you can see here installation is successfully completed. Okay, so I will press next and finish. Okay, so once our ArgoUML software installation is completed, everything is over, it will automatically launch, or you can search in your here ArgoUML and click here. So it will load and it will start here. So you can see here it started, and you can create now your UML diagrams here easily. So we will see in the next video how to create that UML diagram and its class diagram, everything. So you can see here all its like components are given. You can directly click and drag and drop that thing. Yeah, so here it's installed. So if you like my video or it's helpful for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please do not forget to press on the like button. And if you want to see more technical videos, all the playlist and you can check in my Devputer Software YouTube channel. So all the technical stuffs are available. And that's it. In next video we will see how to create different diagrams in the ArgoUML. So bye bye.